The library explains the library account in Kai. Let's go ahead. After Dennis became familiar with the catalog and has already found some literature, the librarian explains the functions of his library account in Kai to him. When he logs into Kai, he can request media and access his library account. Dennis asks the librarian how this works. She explains, he can find a list of all the media he has borrowed in his library account. The end of the loan period is also displayed for each medium. He can renew a borrowed medium online. However, there are maximum renewal periods. Once these are achieved, Dennis must submit the item to his branch library for reborrowing. If a title is requested by someone else, it cannot be renewed and must be returned by the deadline. If he needs a medium that is currently on loan, he can request it during the research by clicking on the button Request. The waiting time depends on how many users have requested the book before him. He will receive an email when it is ready to be picked up. It is important that Dennis brings his Chipperello to the library when he wants to borrow media. Because this is also the library card and Dennis cannot borrow any media without it. Furthermore, the fees incurred are displayed in the user's library account. Although using the library is free of charge, fees may be charged if, for example, he makes an interlibrary loan, or does not return borrowed media in time for the end of the loan period. If Dennis has more than €10 outstanding on his library account, it will be blocked and he will no longer be able to borrow media. Only when the outstanding amount has been paid, Dennis can borrow media again. Dennis is delighted about how easy it is. The library account always gives him a good overview of the media he has borrowed and requested. The end of the loan period is also displayed here, so he cannot forget to return his media. Do you have questions? Do you need help with research or do you want to participate in a library training session? Visit our website and learn more about our services. The library will help you.